Hello guys, welcome to Elite Professional. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make a comparison between actual and target or actual and previous using chart and then using some numbers. But before we get into the numbers part, let's show using some icons, right? Using some icons without using conditional formatting icons. Alright guys, so what we need to do first, let's calculate the variance that we have here. Let's say this will be equals, right? So let's do this divided by this minus 1. Oh sorry, so we have actual here, so actual divided by target minus 1. So that means we didn't achieve our target by 28%, right? So we put it this way. So our variance is all this, okay? So what we need to do is to represent this by icon and then format those icons. So what you need to do, go to your home tab. I want you to go to find and select. Actually go to insert, go to symbols, right? Then so just pick array. So it depends on your box might not be this way. So what I want you to do, I want you to pick a font that is array font, right? And then I want you to go to subset, look for geometric shapes. So please go and find geometric shapes. Then you can find array here, find geometric shapes, and then ensure that this is in Unicode. If you don't put this in Unicode, it's going to be difficult for you getting this icon. If this icon will not display properly in your Excel book, it will show, but it will be actually be represented by some numbers or some kind of char symbol. So please put it in Unicode, right? So I'm going to need up and down arrow. So I need up, okay, insert, and I need the down arrow, insert again. Okay, maybe I should use dash for something else. Okay, so you just have to scroll down. Alright, so I can check some other symbol that you would like to use. Alright, so let's just stick to this first and then probably come back for another one. Okay, so let's stick to this. Okay, good. I'm going to use this too. Right, so I'm going to paste it. So I have it here, right? Okay. So I want this icon to show. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Right, so this is icon represented in text form, right? So I will do if this variance is greater than 0. Okay, so I want you to show one of this icon. If it is above, then I want you to show the up icon, right? If it is below, I want you to show, if it is false, I want to show the down icon, right? You have to put this in quotation because it is text, right? So as simple as this. Okay, I've already formatted this, so let me clear the formatting from here. So I'm going to clear format, right? Okay, so I have this and I'm going to drag this down. Alright, so I have the up and down arrow, right? So this will show at a glance if I'm doing above the target or below the target, right? So I want this to be in different colors so that this can show quickly. I want to use green for up, right? And I want to use red for down, right? So let's go to conditional formatting, right? Then click on new rules, right? So I'm going to use cell contains. So if this cell contains okay, so if the cell is equals to this, so I'm going to use the up arrow first, if this is equal to this up arrow, I want to format. Okay, so we're formatting this. Like I said, this is a text, right? I want you to go to font, right? Then I want you to change this to green color, right? Let's use this green color. I want you to click OK, right? Okay. Okay, so we are saying for green color for up is showing up, which is green. Again, I want to select all this. So conditional formatting again, manage rows. I want to set new rows here. I want to go to if cell contains, right? Contain, let's say equals to what again? Equals to this. Down arrow, I want you to format the text font to be red, right? Okay, and I want you to click OK, then OK. Okay, so I'm going to click OK to apply this rule, and at a glance, this will show me the one performing well, the one not performing well. Alright, so I will see in the next video whereby I'm going to be making a chart, and I'm going to be showing different percentage chart and number below the horizontal line. So please look out for that video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.